In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the idle air control valve on this BMW X5. This is going to be located on the driver's side of the engine bay. Let's get into it. Take this panel off. I'm just using some trim tool pliers. Pull the push pins out. Grab the panel, slide it off, and disconnect the connector for the mass airflow sensor. Slide that out of the way. These two clips, we're just going to use a straight blade screwdriver to get behind there. Pop those out. Slide that off. Take these two bolts out. Use a 10mm socket. Grab the airbox. Slides right out. And there's a clamp in the back here. We're going to loosen that up. Use a straight blade screwdriver. Take that off. There is a retainer that this wire is attached to. I'll just pop that off. Let's see, that was right there. We're going to disconnect this connector. Just push on the tab on the back side. That slides out right there. Now we're going to use a T40 socket. Take these screws out. One right there. One right there. And grab the valve and slide it out. Now using a straight blade screwdriver, we're going to loosen up this clamp right here. And just grab that tube. Might have to loosen it a little more. Pull that off, out of the way a little bit. And there's another clamp down below. I'm going to loosen that up. Same straight blade screwdriver. And grab the tube, pull that off. You can disconnect these hoses. Pull those out. And set this aside. Take this nut off, use a 10mm socket. Slide that bracket out of the way. Down below, we're going to take this bolt out, use a 10mm socket. And that bracket can move out a little bit more. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab. Just try to slide that out. If you're having trouble with that, you can do that after you take the bracket off. And we're going to use a T40 socket. Remove these screws. Pull those out. And grab the bracket and just give it a wiggle. And you just want to pull it outward. Might have to go back and forth a little. And pull the valve out. Take the valve out of the bracket, slide it down. And there it is. Take the bracket, slide this on. All right, install it in the vehicle. And just get this lined up. There's a grommet on the intake. You want to get that lined up in the grommet. Might have to rotate it a little on the bracket. And just push it, work it back and forth. There it is. Push that in. That's good. You can line the other bracket up. Get these screws started. Snug those down. Take the connector. Connector only goes on one way. Just like that. Get the nut started. And the bolt down here. Tighten these down. Now slide this in place. We'll get the tubes. Get this one pushed on, and the other one. Push that on. If you have this clip, push that clip in place. Go over the throttle body. Make sure that's positioned correctly. That looks good. I'm going to tighten down the clamp. I'm going to use a 6mm socket this time. A little bit easier to go on. Snug that down. Give that a wiggle. That's good. I'll put the hose clamp on this tube. Slide that over the valve. And we'll use the 6mm socket to tighten this down as well. Here we go. That's snug. That looks good. And take this valve, get this lined up, push that in place, get the two screws started. And tighten these down. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down. Now take this hose, get this lined up, slide that in place. That's over. And I'll tighten this down. Snug that down, that's good. Take the airbox, get this in position. Attach it to the hose. Latch that down in place. And these two bolts. Tighten these down. Take the wire, slide that in the retainer there. Connect the mass airflow sensor, lock it in place. Put this cover in place. Get this lined up. Push the push pins in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.